How to fix Roblox Error Code 529. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple steps that may help fix the problem on your Windows PC. First, open Google Chrome or the browser you use to play Roblox. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Next, click Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down and select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box, type Roblox. Delete all the cache data and site permissions related to Roblox. Keep in mind that you'll need to sign into your Roblox account again after clearing the data. Now, close your browser. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %localappdata% and click OK. Open the temp folder. Find the Roblox folder, right-click it, and select Delete. After that, restart your computer and launch Roblox again to check if the error code 529 has been resolved. If the problem continues, it's likely caused by a temporary Roblox server issue. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. And that's it. These steps should help you fix Roblox error code 529. An HTTP error has occurred. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more Roblox tips and tutorials.